Look what I just got in the mail. Okay, Brewmate, I see you. And it says Era, any Swifties out there? Are you kidding me? This is the Brewmate 40 ounce tumbler. I got this in the neon pink color. So this is leak proof. So when you fill it up and go like this, it's not gonna spill. It has a locking mechanism on the top, so it seals it. Seal or sit, 24 hours plus keeping it cold. Dishwasher safe. I constantly have a water bottle at my side. It's like my emotional support water bottle. I've linked this down below. They have limited edition colors and they usually have a 10% off sale every once in a while, so make sure you check that out. This is something you're not gonna regret buying.